Cygnus Medicare is in the space of healthcare for the last almost 3 years now, and we are running 9 hospitals, out of which 5 hospitals are in the district centers of Haryana and 4 hospitals are in Delhi. And our vision is to expand in more district centers of Haryana with tertiary healthcare. And this happens to be so because we found that the tertiary healthcare in all the district places of Haryana is not provided to the population there. Therefore, we have started providing the tertiary care that includes neurosurgery, that includes joint replacement, and now we have started providing the cardiology care also, along with the intensive care, along with modular OTs and everything in the district centers of Haryana. And it was very surprising that till now this kind of a services, despite the fact that many of the centers were very close to Delhi, was not available. But the biggest challenge is that at these places, how to provide a real good quality international care. And we have started the processes in line with the NABH, and we have started taking the NABH accreditation for all these hospitals. And at few places the pre-assessment has already been taken, and few other places are going to be pre-assessed for NABH by the NABH board in very short future. Then the thing is that how to actually provide, what are we doing with that should give every user or every patient or every client a confidence that this facility is providing the real good quality healthcare. What we do is that we are focusing on 2-3 main areas. That is to provide a infection-free atmosphere. That is the hospital infection control. Hospital infection control is a very, very important part of the quality initiative in all our facilities, and we provide this by ensuring that an excellent training is provided to every staff, including the nurses, including the doctors, including the housekeeping staff. Excellent training is provided to the housekeeping staff and the nurses that how to handle the biomedical waste from where the cross infection can actually take place. Then we also ensure that everyone who is supposed to use this preventive equipment like gloves and masks and caps, they use it absolutely without any fail. That is these things are done. And when we are doing all this, then we have to make sure that this is done without fail. For that we use many indicators, many methods of surveillance, and we also ensure that these things are done in a very, very regular way so that the training is actually effective on the ground. So that is a very important part of the whole quality process, the infection control. Second is the training of the nurses for provision of error-free medication, error-free operation theatre, error-free all other medical processes that take place in the hospital, in the ICU or in the CCU or in the NICU or in the OT. For that, what we do is we are very critical about our recruitments. We take very qualified nurses, qualified doctors, and we don't compromise there. Secondly, we do a very regular training with all our nurses, all our housekeeping staff, and all our doctors. The third is that we record everything. One of the very important methods of ensuring quality is that we document each and every step of medication and the management, because these are the things which provide us the data for analyzing for futures, analyzing for any possible mistake that has taken place, analyzing in case there is any kind of an outbreak or infection or anything. These things are provided by this data. So that is one of the most important steps. Then of course all of us know that the investigatory departments like laboratory and radiology, they make an important part of the healthcare. We ensure that all our laboratory tests are done in a very standardized manner, and the regular controls, regular standards, they are used regularly, and a very specific TAT, that is turnaround time, is provided for every test to every patient, so that every patient knows in how much time this report is going to come. So these are some of the very simple, straightforward methods which we utilize, which which can be, you know, actually appreciated by every patient, that yes, this kind of a quality control is being maintained by these institutions. And a very important issue is for us that we provide all this across all our facilities, not that this place is smaller or bigger or a district center or a Delhi center. So that is the endeavor, that is the passion with us, that is the commitment from the top management, and that is, you know, reflected that we in a way that we have got a very dedicated big quality team at corporate level, which interacts with the local unit level teams and ensures the quality processes. And this whole team, whole process, whole effort is headed by a director level person. So that shows the commitment, that shows the passion that Cygnus is having for providing quality care. So I'm sure that this quality effort of the management, of all the staff members, will be appreciated by all of you. Thank you very much.